In this Toptal review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money using this website. So it's basically a freelance website, and if you're wondering if it's better than Fiverr or Upwork, then make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm going to show you if this is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So the thing about Toptal is that it's really different from Fiverr and Upwork. So Fiverr and Upwork, probably anyone could really apply and get a job, or maybe get a job right away. But in the case of Toptal, you aren't going to be getting accepted right away, because you have to be really talented and you should really know the skill. You have to be in the top 3% of the freelance talent in order for you guys to actually get a job in Toptal. So the cool thing is that Toptal, if you work in this website, you are going to be making a lot of money, because they really pay a lot of money. So the way it works is, so in websites like Fiverr and Upwork, what people do is, normal people like me or you would really go to these freelance people and and ask them for the service, and you pay them the money. So that's how it works when it comes to a normal freelance website. But in case of Toptal, they are partnered with these big brands. So you have Bridgestone, Duolingo, Shopify, Calm, USC. So all these big companies. So you're going to be working with these huge brands if you end up getting accepted in Toptal. So what Toptal does is, they basically connect these top 3% of freelance with these huge companies. And if you're wondering how much money you could be possibly making with these website, I'm going to be telling you guys, they pay a huge number of money, because some of them are in the Fortune 500 companies. And on average in Toptal, these companies are going to pay you anywhere around $66,000 to almost $116,000 per year. So that's how much money you could be making. But if you compare it to Fiverr and Upwork, it's not going to be that much, because you're going to be getting paid for every work that you do. But this is more like a long-term work. So in Fiverr and Upwork, it's probably going to, you might work with them for a few days or a few weeks, maybe a few months. But in this case, it's more like a few years. Maybe it's on a long-term basis. So the problem with this website is that you have to be in the top 3% of the freelance talent. Otherwise, you're not going to be getting accepted, because there's no way that you're going to be accepted if you don't really know what you're doing. And if your talent is not that great, you won't be probably accepted. That's how it works. Because when you go here, you in order to actually apply, you have to apply as a freelancer. You can click here. Okay, so this is like the page you're going to be getting, and you can either sign up with LinkedIn, or you can manually apply. But the thing is that after you apply, it's not necessary that you should be getting accepted. You really have to know what you're doing, and the standard time of them actually accepting is about 2 to 5 weeks, which is pretty long. But the reason why it's so long is that they really check into your background. They really check who you are as a person. They don't want just random freelancer on their website to work with these top companies like Motorola, Bridgestone. Then you have T-System. All of these big companies, they really don't want to work. So if you are a top talent, and if you have the skills in order for you guys to make it, you should definitely go. If you're asking me what are the skills that you want, what are required for the job, so these are the 6 skills that you probably would need in order for you guys to get into Toptal. So you either need to be a developer, you have to be a software engineer, a coder, an architect, anyone like that. And when it comes to the designer part, you have to be an expert in UI, UX, visual and interaction designers, and all of that. Then you have to be a finance expert, so you have to be an expert in financial modeling and valuation. So one course that is going to get you into this is the CFA course, which is a finance course. I'm probably sure there will be some CFA experts here. If you just look into, you might see some of them. Let me see. Okay, so there might be CFA experts. So if you have a professional finance expertise degree, you will probably get accepted in Toptal. Then you have to become a project manager, which is digital and technical project manager, Scrum Masters, and more with expertise in numerous PM tools, frameworks, and styles. Then you have product manager. They need a digital product manager, Scrum product owners, with expertise in numerous industries like banking, healthcare, e-commerce, and more. So if you have been working for a while, maybe you have 10 or 15 years of experience in the banking, healthcare, e-commerce sector, you might probably get accepted as Toptal. Then you have to become a marketing expert, a digital marketing expert. If you have a company, or maybe if you have worked in a company for a couple of years, then you probably would get accepted in Toptal. Then you have brand strategy execution, social media marketing, and more. So if you have any of the skill, and if they find you are a real expert, then you can probably enter this. And the thing is that your job is not very assured. That's the thing. So once you see, I told you guys there's a CFA post here. So she could probably get into the finance expert side. So the thing is that once you get into Toptal, it's not necessary that you're going to be making a lot of money, that like these companies are immediately going to get you accepted. You will have to do interviews, maybe aptitude tests, and all of that. You have to go through multiple rounds in order to finally compete with other people in the platform and finally get accepted by these big companies. So it's not just you have to get into Toptal, but also you will have to show your skills to the big companies. They will definitely test your skills. So overall, I don't think Toptal is for every freelancer out there. But if you have the skills and if you have what it takes to get there, then just go for it. I'm pretty sure they will accept you. So that's basically it for this video of Toptal. I'm pretty sure you love this video. If you love this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, guys, Toptal is still it's still a job, and if you're looking for a way to make a big income online, I have done many business models, have continued to fail multiple times, and there is this one strategy that I found was very beginner friendly for me as a person, and I literally went from $0 making literally no money to almost 5,000 to almost I'm making about close to a $10,000 point. So I have come to this far, and it's a business model that I personally think everyone could make it. So it's a free affiliate marketing guide, and if you want to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's basically it for this video, and I hope to see you on another review video.